Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to verify Klarna account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you want to verify your Klarna account here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, the thing with Klarna here is when you first use the app itself and when you first sign up, the app or the platform will ask you a bunch of questions about yourself. Like, for example, a mobile number that you want to use on your account. Now, a mobile number or a phone number is required in order for you to set up your account. So typically, once you do enter your phone number and enter the OTP that you are going to receive, you will be able to start creating your account. That includes entering your details, your first name, your last name, and even adding a payment card or a credit card or a debit card into your account. Now, this part is really important because they need a card to proceed or to process any payments that you are going to make inside the platform if you want to use their pay later options. Now, then again, once you've done that, your account should be verified and you'll be able to start using the app. But in some cases, you may be having some troubles with using your account. Well, what do you need to do here? How do you make sure that your account is still verified? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to go and click on the Use section or the More section at the bottom right of your screen. Now, once you've done that, it should redirect you to this page here. So you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. And from then on, you should select the contact details section. Now, in the next page here, you should be able to see a bunch of details about yourself, personal details. But what you need to do is you want to make sure to update your phone number here or add a new number. Now, by the way, you won't be able to update your email address here. These are unique identifiers or in this case, IDs for your account. So the only thing that you could do here is update your number here and just make sure that number is currently working. Now, once you've done that, you should be pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.